These questions are not new. When did our universe begin? What is it made of? How did galaxies and other cosmic structures form? What does the future of the universe hold? Durham is known as a place of extraordinary architectural beauty. We were very fortunate to attract one of the top architects in the world, Daniel Libeskind. The building provides the perfect environment for the research we do here, where we seek answers to some of the most fundamental questions that scientists can ask.
It's really, really light. There's so much natural light in here, which kind of makes you feel almost like connected to the research that we're doing, which I know sounds kind of corny, but it's true. Like with the glass ceilings and stuff like that, you really do feel connected to the cosmos in this building.
I think both from the outside and the inside, it's very unique. It's very open, and I think it's a pleasure to work in. It's a good centerpiece for the university.
I think the new building gives me a sense of pride. Come every day to work in such a wonderful place. It's just fantastic.
In terms of architecture, the building itself is visually iconic, which really puts it on the map.
This building is really amazing, and it would have not been possible without very generous contributions from the Ogden Trust, the Wilson Foundation, and Durham University.
It provides opportunities for increased interaction in the three pillars of modern astronomy: theory, observation, and instrument development.
At this time, it's especially important for these local collaborations and global collaborations that we have going on in this building.
Well, I'm very close now to the people that I work with, which makes interactions a lot easier than it was before.
My research relies on the collaboration between observers and theorists to work together, so we can combine the use of our computer simulations with also what we observe in the sky to try and create a fuller understanding of the universe today.
I think putting all the simulation people and the observers under the same roof encourages interaction between the two groups, and I think that encourages for better science in the end.
Science and artists will both contribute to the greater understanding of what it means to be human, why we are here. And the fact that art and science come together in this building in a unique place, in a unique way, is great.
At the Ogden Center for Fundamental Physics, we ask questions that are not new. These are questions that humanity has asked since the very beginnings of civilization, questions pertaining to our universe. But what is new today is that we have the powerful armory of physics with which we can tackle these questions in a rigorous scientific way.
Bringing leading scientists and engineers together leads to a flow down of ideas, from theoretical models to observational tests of those models to development of new instruments to make those observations. And this is fundamental to new discoveries and advances in modern astronomy.
It's a world-leading centre for astronomy. We've got scientists from over 20 different countries working on some of the biggest research projects to try and better understand the origins of our universe.
I think the new building gives us all a sense of belonging to a great scientific community.
The physics department at Durham University is already at the forefront of research as an institute.
The fact that Durham University is so good at physics attracts some of the best brains in the world.